The reason that we need humidity in the winter is, let's face it, we're human beings. We like to be warm. When you heat air, you naturally dry it out.
And some people don't think about that because the winters last a very long time. Your heat's running nonstop and it dries out every surface in your home, and it dries out the people in the home too.
You know, it was tough because the kids' skin and my skin would dry out, but in this house, we don't have an issue at all.
You know, by having proper humidification levels, you eliminate things like asthma triggers and allergy triggers and itchy skin and dry skin and static shocks, and beautiful hardwood floors are cracking and splitting, and the kitchen cupboard doors don't line up anymore.
Yeah, the house we had in Arizona, we definitely had that. Like, the wood was so dry it was cracking, and the doors are jamming and the windows don't open.
The humidifier does such an amazing job with that, keeping the way it should be. And a lot of these homes are a little older that we work with, and I think that makes a big difference. It's one of those things where you don't realize what it does until you actually install it. We just love it.